Gold and silver almost traded flat throughout the day. Today we have seen it trading almost range bound, where silver has achieved the resistance levels at 2320, 2330, while gold has failed to break past our entry points for buying at 2058. Now what to expect today? Big day today. Yes, the NFP data with the which is going to come in before the US session definitely will bring a lot much of volatility, and then later with the US session. So what to expect? How to profit trading gold and silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Do like, share and comment, and yes, press the bell icon and join the channel memberships if you're not joined yet, and enjoy the benefits. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now look at gold on the RD charts, taking the support from the 20 period moving average. What it has done, it is see, this was the rise. It is trading very much range bound, failing to break below 2050 levels. That was the only selling entry we have recommended. Yes, it could try to drop below these levels, but we have to be very cautious and watchful here, because a swing can be expected where we can see a drop and a recovery as well. Thus you have to be watchful here. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see, despite the flat bottom, it has failed to break past the highs here. Thus we have to watch out. If it breaks beyond 2058, possibly that could be one of the buying entries here. Beyond 2058, we can look forward to 62.5 and 65 levels as the next resistances. Yes, also if you look at right, the moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. But look at hourly stochastic, it has crossed over, and MACD, this is crossed over and it is trading with divergence and bearish. Stochastic is looking forward to a rise here. It is looking upwards, hitting the bottom. But my observation is with respect to MACD, which is divergent and looking downwards. RSI is rising as well here. Coming to 2-hour charts, the observation is similar on the 2-hour charts, but we are observing here lower highs and higher lows. It is just consolidating after a bigger rise here. Thus, we have to wait for it to give a breakout above 2058. Yes, you can take a buying entry, but with caution here. Forming a double top is what we can look at. It can form a double top, and from those levels a reversal. So yes, a swing is what I will be expecting, where the lows and highs can be achieved, which is going to be the first one. That is what we need to look at. 20 period moving average right now sitting at around 2050. What it has done, it has waited for the moving average to climb up. Now 2050 has become a support level. Thus only selling entry is at 2050 48 zone, which is going to be the first support zone, and below that we can look forward to 4042 levels as this next support levels. The stochastic flat MACD is trying to converge. It has failed to cross over yet. Yes, it is still looking upwards. It is still not much of bullishness left. RSI rising again. Coming to 3-hour. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, trying to show swing. Wait for the next candle. If it breaks out beyond 2058, that could be an indication that it is trying to rise and we can see a breakout. Now, if you look at the 3-hour charts here, it is trading flat here, and the 20 period moving average sitting at around 2047, 46 levels. We have to watch out there. 20 period moving average is an achievable level, but it is going to be a great support as well. Stochastic rising here. MACD is still in green, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness. RSI staying flat. Coming to 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, see almost symmetrical movement. We can see 2 red, 2 green, and this candle is coming with a little greener body. Thus we have to wait for it to break out now beyond 2058, after which certainly the bulls will take over. Else you can see the preceding candle has a tail on the downside and also higher lows. So higher lows, lower highs. Wait for it to break. In fact, you can take a sell entry at 2052 itself, but then 2052 50 levels, very good support. As long as see, you can sell at 2052 it appears, but then 2050 is one support, and then 2046, and below that 2040 levels will be seen. Let's find out more in detail. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI staying flat. Coming to daily charts, one observation here is, see, it has formed a stronger bullish momentum here. This is a channel in which it is trading. Where is the support? Support somewhere here at 2040 and then 2036 levels. These are the support levels here on the downside. Also, it is traded with a narrow zone today. So gold is waiting for a breakout. And also, if you look at, see, increasing body size with a flat bottom 2030 levels. Now 2030 levels, achieving the 2030, it is given an expanding triangle. This is certainly a bullish indication. This time if it breaks beyond 2065, we can look forward to 2070, 71.5, and after that sky is the limit. Why? Because see, rise retracement. It is trading in this bearish channel and it is looking forward to up move. However, we have seen four consecutive greener candles, thus a pullback cannot be denied here. Be watchful. Stochastic rising, MACD is still divergent, MACD is still bullish looking upwards. RSI flat as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 2052, but then we have to be first within 20 pips, 2050 levels first and very strong support. Then the next stronger support is at 2046-45 and below that 4042. Three support levels are going to play a major role here for gold on the downside. 2040-42 is something you should watch out with more caution there, because below that certainly the bearishness will increase. I will look forward to 2036 and then 2030. 2030 is the level it needs to break in order to confirm the bearish breakout. Only below 2030 we should treat gold as bearish, else it is bound to give good swings. Dropping sharper, it can bounce back sharply as well. On the upside, beyond 2058 you can buy, but then 2062.5, 2065 levels, these two levels you should watch out for. Good resistances exist there, but beyond this we are looking forward to 70, 71.5 levels, and if it stays above 70, 71.5, you can say gold has turned extremely bullish, and it is not going to stop there. It is going to fly beyond 2084, 85 as well. Take your positions accordingly. Now, let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. The 28th batch is started last week itself, this week itself. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, ping me on Telegram or write an email for more details. Else, join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. And yes, visit the platform forexhonda.com where you get the data releases. NFP data release is live there. You can also watch the live charts with the advanced tools and discuss with your community members there. And yes, if you want to book a call and need a consultation, you can schedule a call there with me on the platform forexhonda.com. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the early charts has achieved a double top level, and here it is looking forward to see if it drops from the current level. If it drops below 23.10, $23 levels, this is the zone you should watch out for. Below these levels, certainly silver is to be treated bearish. It has almost achieved the double top, and reversal from here is going to be treated seriously. At the same time, a breakout about 23.30 and 23.40 zone is again going to be a bullish breakout, because see what has happened. Rise here, retracement, it failed to stay bearish, it is looking upwards, and a breakout here certainly should bring a strong bullish momentum. Stochastic rising, MACD is still in green here. RSI looking downwards, coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2 hour chart. See, it has to break below this zone at 23.10 now. Yes, when the higher prices are below 23.10, you can treat silver as turning bearish. We have to then wait for it to break below 23, 22.95 levels. And if these two levels are taken, certainly you can say now it is going to crash, and we can say it might try to achieve the low that 2270, 2280, chances for which appears to be less. Stochastic rising here, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI flat. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts here. See, very strong base is created here with the support at 2310, and thus it has to break below 2310 in order to confirm the bears out there. Else what it is trying to do, it is trying to retrace, it is trying to form a tail, and then a bounce back can be expected, because see, couple of bullish candles, then consolidation, first breakout. If it stays above 2330, just stay bullish here in silver. We are looking forward to a rise towards 2350-60 levels, else one should note that it is forming a double top and possibility of a drop exists. Stochastic dropping here, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish looking upwards. Remember this fact. RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour charts, double top here and looking forward to a down move. Wait for it to break below 2310 levels and then 2295. If this zone is taken, then you can say that now silver is going to crash heavily on the downside, because what we have seen is lower highs, lower lows, and it could try to move towards 2260 as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over a couple of candles back. It is divergent, it is bullish, it is looking upwards. Thus, you have to notice this, that it has still room for it to rise. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now, if you look at daily charts, preceding candle comes with a tail, and a greener body. Now this candle has already formed a tail. If it breaks out beyond this zone at 2330, we can look forward to 2345, 2360 zone, which is going to be the first resistance zone. And after this, I will be looking forward to 2375, 2380 levels as the next targets. Yes, silver right now it is staying in the box. It has to come out of the box in order to confirm a reversal. MACD stochastic has dropped. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards, and remember, it has lot much of room on the upside. RSI is rising as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy 2330. When you see the lower prices above 2330, you can buy here, and then expect 2345, 2360, and 2375.80 as the next targets. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, a selling entry is below 2310. When you see this price, higher price below 2310, you can take a sell entry. Be careful at around. See, on the downside, the supports are very, very strong there at 23, 2295, the first support zone, 2280, 2285, the next support zone, and then below that, ultimately 2260 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Have a happy weekend. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries, join the free Telegram, or visit the platform forexfunda.com for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.